Maybe you're in the business and not looking over it. Now is your time to say, what do I do? Maybe you're struggling to get any leads coming in. Now is the time to say, this is what I've done, it's not working. Maybe you've got staffing issues. You say, this is the issue I've got, how can we move forward? Maybe you've got no deals yet, or you're struggling with it. You get the idea? It is your time to shine and raise your hand and say, I need support team. And together, we help solve it and come to a roadmap for your next 2 months moving forward.
Yeah, I'm Diane, part of Tom Heaney's Property Academy. Here today on the Mastermind Day. Been a really good day so far. We have had talks from one of the Academy members who explained in his essay portfolio, and we've had time to further our development on speaking, publicly speaking, doing videos. I think every Mastermind Day we're getting a bit more focus on where we're going, and it also gives us more chance to get together as a team and get knowledge out of each other and not just Tom, which is a really valuable part of the Academy that we've found.
So on the Academy today, we've had a bit about public speaking. So it's about structuring your presentations and obviously what's in it for them, what's in it for the people you're speaking to. We've had John Paul from Castledean. He's an estate agent taking over, he's a businessman, taking over the North East and acquiring lots of estate agency and sort of gone into marketing strategies, why he's done that, and even spotlight from the Academy members and obviously seeing where they've grown or how they've grown within 12 months. And obviously it's just sort of that kick up the backside to sort of give everyone else that sort of energy to go and further it after today. What else helps or keeps you accountable is the fact that everyone's progressing. You don't want to be left behind. You want to be that member who's at the front, essentially, if you're competitive anyway. Having them calls with Tom every Monday night, you sort of at the end of the call you're sharing like your actions for the week, the goods, the bads, the challenges. So essentially every week you have that call with Tom to basically say, what are you doing? Because you'll feel embarrassed if you go on that call and you've done nothing since the week before. So having the Academy, obviously the experience and the wealth of knowledge within the group, essentially what you do, if you have questions, you can put it in the group, you get answers straight away, you've got the accountability, access to some of Tom's like legal advice, etc. So the fact that you've got members of this team that have 20 years property investing who earns hundreds of thousands of pounds a year, you also have their knowledge. So if you have a simple buy-to-let question you might not know about, someone has that answer. As well as like Mahesh spending time, I spent some time doing a marketing strategy with Mahesh. I learnt more in that 15-20 minutes than I probably had done trying to learn it online for like last 3, 4, 5 months. So the additional support you get is phenomenal, to be fair.